Let's try division of different bases. So to divide, we can create a table of values. So we're going to be looking at this number. So we can say 2 base 4 times 1 is 2. 2 base 4 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. But if you have a base 4, then you really get 10. 2 4 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Divide by 4, we get 12. And 2 4 times 4 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 divided into 8 is 2. So this is going to be 20. And we can keep going on and on until we want to. However, we're going to stop there for a second. And what we want to do is set up our division here. So we have 312 base 4 divided by 2 base 4. So we can ask ourselves, the 2 can go into the 3 one time. 1 times 2 to the 4 is 2. So we end up with 11. So if we look at our numbers here, 10 would be the closest. So we can say this is going to go in 2 times. 2 times 2 is going to be 10. So we get a 1, carry down our 2. So we get a 12, and we have a 12 here, so that's going to be a 3. So my answer is 1, 2, 3 in base 4. Let's try the next one. So we have 4, 6. 4, 6 times 0, 6 is 0. 4, 6 times 1, 6 is 4. 4, 6 times 2, 6 is actually 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So we can see we can subtract 1, 6, and we'll have remainder of 2. So the next one is 4, 6 times 3, 6. 4 times 3 is 12. So that's going to be 2, 0. And 4, 6 times 4, 6 is 16. Divided by 6 is 2. That's 12, 4. So 24. So we can do our division. 2, 2, 3 base 6 divided by 4 base 6. So 4 cannot go into 2, but it can go into 2, 2, 22. And that's going to be the closest is 20. So I'm going to write a 3 here. 4 times 3 is 2, 0. So I bring down the 2, carry down my 3. And again, it's going to be another 3. So 4 times 3 is 20 again. So we get a remainder of 3. So my answer here is 3, 3 base 6. Remainder of 3 base 6. Okay, the last one. 3, 5 times 1 is 3. 3, 5 times 2 is 11. 3, 5 times 3 is 9. So if we divide by 5, we get 14. Times 4 is 12. So if we divide by 5, we get 2, 22. 3, 5 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Divide by 5. So we get 30. And 3, 5 times 6, 5 is 18. Divide by 5. So we get 33. So let's divide 104 base 5 by 3 base 5. So we look at our list, we can see that 3 will go into 101 time. So we end up with 3. Yep. So here we want to subtract. So 0 minus 3, I have to subtract, so I get a 0. But I'm really borrowing 5 because we're in base 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down the 4. So we get 2 4. So the closest number to 2 4 is 2 2. So that's going to be a 4. So we end up with 2 2. If we subtract, we end up with 2. So my answer is 1 4 base 5, remainder of 2 base 5.